my dear student. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. Welcome you all to today's Business Organization and Management class. This is Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College. Now I am going to start Business Organization and Management class. Basic concept of business. Chapter 1. Discussion points, concept of business, features of business, types of business. Concept of business. All legitimate economic activities, including production and distribution for the purpose of earning profit, are called business. This is the definition of business. An economic activity means doing some jobs for earning money or income and livelihood, producing food for the family members, rearing poultry, cultivation vegetables, etc. are not business. But when a farmer cultivates vegetables to make profit, then it will be treated as business. So it is clear that in all business, economic activities is related. Now I am going to discuss about features of business. There are some features are written in your book. Number 1, expectation of profit. The first and foremost feature of business is that there is expectation of profit of the businessman behind its organization and administration. Number 2, risk and uncertainty. Risk is the possibility of financial loss. A businessman has to bear the risks of loss with the hope of making profit. Number 3, recurring transaction. Recurring transaction means the effort of make profit by buying and selling again and again. Number 4, legal validity. Legal validity means any job not being illegal or illegitimate according to law. Business is a legitimate profession and it has to be legitimate. Number 5, free occupation. Free occupation means such a profession in which the owner can administer all the activities by making decision himself without being under anyone else. Last point, creation of utility and wealth. Business is the weapon of creating utility and surplus. Utility means power to fulfill some need. Industry, the main branch of business from utility of commodities. So, these are the features and natures of business. Now, I am going to start about the types of business. Business are divided into mainly 3 types. Number 1, industry. Number 2, commerce. Number 3, direct service. What is industry? Industry is the process of converting raw materials or primary products into secondary or finished goods using heavy capital and investment. As per National Industry Policy 2010, industry in Bangladesh is divided into 2 types: manufacturing industry and service industry. What is commerce? The activities related to the distribution of the industrial products to the real consumer is called commerce. Commerce is treated as the wing of business for distribution of products and services. In modern age, commerce is termed as business to business. In short, this is called B2B. Number 3, direct service. In order to make profit, providing any type of work, satisfaction to meet the necessity of consumers is called direct service, such as doctor, lawyer's chamber, architect firm, audit firm, etc. Moreover, direct service is a significant part of modern business. Homework. Student, now you have to learn the definition of business, industry, commerce and direct service. Thank you.